How to delete system apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can delete system apps on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, let us understand what are system apps. The applications that comes in chipped in with your phone by default are called system apps and they cannot be uninstalled. For example, if I long press on Netflix that didn't come with phone, I can just uninstall this Netflix application. But there are some applications such as, let's say, the gallery app itself. It is a system app, so if I long press on it, there is no uninstall button. One thing that I would recommend you is do not delete system apps, or do not try to delete system apps if you don't know what you're doing, because it may come up with an issue later on. But regardless, if you'd like to uninstall them, one way that you can do is if you have root. If you have root at your Android phone, which I don't recommend to everybody if you don't know what you're doing, you can go ahead and uninstall the system apps. But what you can also do is instead, you can just long press on a certain app, then just tap the I button, right? So since this is a system app, I can't uninstall it. I can tap the I button to come to the app info page instead. Then from here, I can actually choose to disable the app if I haven't done so already. So you can choose to disable a certain app, for example, the clock app, long press, tap the I button, then just tap the disable option here. To disable them, they will not be used. They will still be in your phone, but they will not be used and you will not see them on the home screen. So this way you can delete system apps on Android. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.